Let's take a look at how to choose wood species for the Tramex Moisture Encounter MEX5 using the Tramex Meters app. The MEX5 has over 500 wood species to choose from when using the pin mode, although only 20 are displayed in the menu. Here's how you choose which 20 are displayed. So if we go into the menu on the MEX5, choose the pin probe option, and then choose the wood species. We'll see here that we have 20 species that have been pre-programmed into the MEX5. Now if we want to change or add different species, we go over here to the Tramex Meters app, which I've already turned on and connected to the meter. I'm going to tap on my meter there, and I get to the home screen. Now I'm going to go to the bottom right, the tab for device settings. When I get there, I'm going to choose edit the wood species list. And in the app now, I see in blue here 20 slots with 20 wood species. Now if I want to add a different wood species, all I have to do is press on a particular slot or species, and then I can choose here if I want a different species in that slot. So I choose the second slot, and I'm going to add here red ash. So it put it in slot number 2, as you can see. If I choose to save that, it'll say the update's complete. That means it's now been transferred to the meter. So when I go back into wood species here, I see that now the second slot is the red ash. So this is the way we can go through and choose which 20 species are displayed on our meter, but we always have the option to adjust that through the Tramex Meters app. The MEX5 is available at tramexmeters.com, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.